In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best compact personal smoothie blender 2026 on Amazon. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best compact personal smoothie blender 2026 on Amazon. Number 1, Ninja Blast Max Portable Blender BC251NV. Cordless personal smoothie blender with 22-ounce removable vessel, twist and go, ice crushing, 3 blend programs, USB-C rechargeable, dishwasher safe, navy, powerful ice crushing blends frozen fruit, ice, and ingredients with ease for smooth drinks. Cordless and USB-C rechargeable. Enjoy portable blending anywhere without cords. 0.22 twist and go vessel blend, twist on the lid, and take your drink on the go. 3 smart blend programs. Choose from preset programs. For smoothies, shakes, and ice crushing, easy to clean, removable BPA-free vessel and dishwasher-safe parts for hassle-free cleanup. The Ninja Blast Max BC251NV portable blender delivers powerful cordless blending in a compact, travel-friendly design. Featuring a 22-ounce removable blending vessel, 3 smart blend programs, and ice crushing performance, it's perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, frozen drinks, and more. The twist and go design with a leak-proof lid makes it easy to blend and enjoy your drinks wherever you are. USB-C rechargeable and equipped with dishwasher-safe parts, the Ninja Blast Max combines convenience, portability, and reliable performance for busy lifestyles. Number 2, KOIOS Smoothie Blender 900W Personal Blender with 2x22 ounces portable cups, single-serve smoothie maker for protein shakes, juices, frozen drinks and kitchen food prep. Gray-blue. 900W powerful motor blends fruits, vegetables, ice, and frozen ingredients quickly and efficiently. 2 portable 22-ounce cups blend directly into the travel cups for convenient on-the-go use. Single-serve design perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, juices, and healthy drinks. Compact and easy to use. Space-saving design. Fits easily on any kitchen countertop. Easy cleanup. BPA-free. Number 3, nutribullet Flex Portable Blender NBPB 50200. Cordless personal smoothie blender with removable 20-ounce cup, USB rechargeable, leak-resistant lid, gunmetal gray, cordless portable design. Lightweight and easy to carry for smoothies anywhere, anytime. USB rechargeable battery. Convenient charging for travel, gym, office, or outdoor use. Removable 20-ounce cup. Blend directly in the cup and take your drink on the go. Leak-resistant lid. Secure design helps prevent spills during transport, easy to clean. Detachable parts with dishwasher-safe components for quick cleanup. The nutribullet Flex Portable Blender NBPB 5020. Number 4, Ganiza Smoothie Blender Max 1300W. Personal blender and grinder combo with 6-leaf blade, 3-in-1 kitchen mixer for smoothies, shakes, frozen drinks, and sauces. Includes 23-ounce cup plus 2 37 ounces to-go cups, ultra-powerful 1300W motor, high-performance blending for smoothies, shakes, frozen fruit, ice, sauces, and grinding tasks. 3-in-1 blender and grinder combo perfect for smoothies, food prep, and dry grinding like nuts, spices, and coffee. 6-leaf stainless steel blade enhanced cutting power for smoother, faster blending results. Multiple cup sizes. Includes 23 ounces single-serve cup and 2 large 37 ounces portable to-go cups. Portable and family-friendly, ideal for both individual use and larger batch preparation. Easy cleanup. BPA-free, dishwasher-safe cups and detachable components. Number 5, Ganiza Smoothie Blender 900W. 15-piece personal blender and grinder combo for kitchen. Single-serve smoothie maker with 4 BPA-free portable cups for shakes, smoothies, frozen drinks, and nutritious recipes. 900W powerful motor efficiently blends fruits, vegetables, ice, and frozen ingredients for smooth drinks. 15-piece complete set includes multiple accessories for blending, grinding, and everyday kitchen use. 4 BPA-free portable cups. Convenient to-go cups for smoothies and shakes anytime, anywhere. Blender and grinder combo ideal for smoothies, protein shakes, sauces, and dry grinding like coffee and spices. Compact and user-friendly design, easy operation with space-saving design for modern kitchens. Easy to clean, dishwasher-safe cups and detachable components for quick cleanup. The Ganiza Smoothie Blender 900W is a versatile personal blender designed for everyday nutrition and convenience. With a powerful 900-watt motor, it quickly blends fruits, vegetables, ice, and frozen ingredients into smooth, delicious drinks. This 15-piece set includes 4 BPA-free portable cups, making it easy to prepare and take your smoothies on the go. Designed as number 6 Consciot CB 10 11-piece personal and countertop blender combo, 900 peak watt smoothie maker for shakes, smoothies, frozen drinks, and baby food, includes 3 BPA-free to-go cups. Spout and flat lids. 900 peak watt power strong blending performance for smoothies, shakes, frozen drinks, baby food, and spreads. 11-piece complete set includes blender base, blades, and multiple accessories for everyday kitchen use. 3 BPA free to-go cups blend directly and take your drinks anywhere with portable convenience. Multiple lid options includes 2 spout lids and 1 flat lid for flexible use and storage. Versatile kitchen use, great for smoothies, protein shakes, sauces, dips, baby food, and light meal prep. Compact and easy to clean, space-saving design with dishwasher-safe and detachable parts. The Consciot CB 10 11-piece blender combo is a versatile kitchen solution designed for everyday blending needs. Powered by a 900 peak watt motor, it easily handles smoothies, shakes, frozen drinks, baby food, and spreads with smooth and consistent results. Its multifunctional design allows both personal blending and countertop use, making it suitable for a variety of kitchen tasks. This set includes 3 BPA free to-go cups along with spout and flat lids, giving you flexible options for blending, drinking, and storing. Compact, convenient, and easy to clean, the Consciot CB10 is ideal for business.